Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file FCGPR online. This guide will help you understand the Foreign Currency Gross Provisional Return, a crucial form for Indian companies receiving foreign investment. We will cover the essential steps, from initial registration on the RBI firm's portal to the final submission. It is vital to file this form within 30 days of issuing capital instruments to foreign investors to ensure compliance and avoid penalties. To begin, you must first register on the RBI firm's portal. This involves a two-step process. First, create an entity user account for your company, providing all required details. Next, complete the business user registration, which links an individual to the entity. Once both registrations are approved, you will receive login credentials. Use these to log in and select the single master form to proceed with your FCGPR filing. When filling out the FCGPR form, you will need to input several key pieces of information. This includes comprehensive details about your company, such as its CIN and PAN, and specifics about the foreign investor, like their name and country of residence. You must also accurately report investment details, including the type of securities issued, their face value, and the total amount of inflow. Double-check all mandatory fields for completeness. A critical part of filing is attaching the correct supporting documents. Ensure you have your Foreign Inward Remittance Certificate, the Foreign Investors Know Your Customer Report, a Company Secretary Certificate, and a valuation report from a certified professional. Upload these documents as instructed on the portal. Before clicking Submit, take a moment to thoroughly review all entered information and attachments. This final check helps prevent rejections and ensures a smooth, compliant submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.